Hello and welcome to LearnAakash. Now you are going to look about iteration focusing about loop. So let's open idle. We have two types of loop in Python. They are while loop and for loop. We will learn about for loop in our upcoming videos. So let's focus on while loop. So while loop will continue or run while the condition is true. If the condition becomes false, then loop exits terminates. So make sure that the loop becomes false, else it will run infinite. So let's open new file. Now let's create a program. Let's create natural number. Now the program will generate the natural number according to the user desired. Let's take the value as an integer from the user. Natural number of num r. Okay, let's now let's create the loop. For creating loop you need to create any variable, just like you need to declare the value of variable. Let's say that I equals to 1, and you need to write the while loop that will look like this. While now any condition I less than or equal to none in our case. Now if this condition is true, then loop will continue. If it false, then loop will not continue. Okay, let's print I. Here we can see that I equals to 1 and it's less than equal to num if number is more than 1. If it's true, then 1 will be printed, and after that again the I equals to 1, so it will print only 1 on 1 infinite times. So make sure the loop will break. So now let's I equals to I plus 1. It means that the value of I increases by 1 every time. Now next time when loop runs, I become 2, 3, 4 up to the none about that user input. So after that the loop becomes false and it closes the loop. And at last we know that we will write our input function. Please press enter key to exit. Yep, now let's save it to our desktop. Let's write natural dot by. Now let's run F5 for run. Enter any value. Let's type 10. Yeah, natural number of 10 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we can also run it from here. Let's open natural. Yeah, let's write 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So user may provide invalid input, and we will learn how to minimize the errors provided by the user in the program which we will create very soon. So let's focus that the user provide the valid input. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.